All right, so tonight I'm going to make a quick video here. This is going to be how to turn in assignments. We're going to be doing several different kinds of assignments, or several different kinds of different ways to turn stuff in. So, way number one is we'll be doing something in Google Docs. Okay, so I'm going to show you what this looks like. When I click on this, okay, for your assignment, you're going to watch this assignment submission video. This is the one I'm watching currently as we do it right now. Okay. And you do the following. Okay, you're gonna write me a message in Google Docs, something like "Hi, Mr. Green," whatever, and you're gonna submit it following the directions in this video that I'm doing right now. You're gonna take a picture of your face and upload that as well. And you take a picture of a piece of paper and you do that as well. You're gonna be doing several different kinds of submissions. Sometimes there'll be pictures of things I'm gonna have you look at, perhaps. Other times it'll be, you're gonna write on a sheet of paper. Other times you'll be using Google Docs. So click on Submit Assignment when you're ready to turn it in. Okay. And so the first thing I want you to do is you're going to upload something from out of your Google Drive. Okay. Now before we do this, I want to go into my Google Drive and I want to show you something real quick. So all of you, I'd like you to do this, and honestly, I think this is important. This is going to be important for you to simplify your life, to make your life better. If you don't already have one, I want you to add a folder. So you click on the new right there, new folder, and not upload you jackwagon. Try again, Jay. New folder. There you go, attaboy. Judas Priest, that was tough. Now I notice I didn't title it because I'm an idiot. If that's you as well, you can come down here to where it says rename, and I'm going to call this auto. I'm going to call it auto because I think I already have an auto one folder. Okay, I'm going to hit OK. And then I want all of you to do this next step, and this next step is very important. For when it comes to sharing, it doesn't always work well unless you do this. If you do this next step, everything works really well. Right click on it, okay, and click on share. And so the default is restricted so only people with the link can look at it, yada, 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 okay? So if you click on this little hyperlink here, you can change it right here, this little drop down, and make it public. Anyone with the link, actually, I guess we can't change it anymore. So we'll just leave it saying on school district, and we'll hope it works. Okay, we'll hope that it works. Okay, so if this little dude shows up on there, you've done it correctly. And then what I want you to do is make yourself a Google document, not unlike this one. Hi, Mr. Groom. You're swell. A little one of these numbers. Don't get carried away. I don't need a book for crying out loud, whatever. And by the way, you don't need a brown nose. All right. So there it is. Okay. Now, something's weird here on my deal. Let me see if I can figure what I did wrong here. Yeah, good. So this is what it should say up here. It should say untitled document. You can change that to practice. Oops. Try that again, dummy. You can click where it says hi, Mr. right here, and I don't really care what you call it, but name it something. Don't leave it untitled. Okay, practice, and then right here where it says My Drive, if you click on that, in My Drive, go find the Auto One folder we just made, and let's move it there. Okay, now the idea with that is this: is that everything you do in this class should be in your Auto One folder. Okay, or I'm probably going to use this for other classes as well. So whatever class you're in, it should be in that folder. Okay, go ahead and close this. Now, if you come back over here to this where it says submit, you'll notice that Google Drive is right here. So if you're submitting something from Google Drive, this is where you do it. Click on it. And some more now. Oh, okay. Ah! Okay, so I am masquerading as a student right now, which just sounds creepy as heck. Anyway, you're going to click on Google Drive, and it will say to you, hey, go find it. Now, I think, as I understand it, you will get a message that'll say something like allow or authorize Canvas to access your Google Drive, something to that effect. Just say yes, okay? And then click on in your Auto One folder or whatever, and then click on the one that you want to upload, okay? And then it will say upload, and then cool, you've uploaded it. Then you're also going to upload a picture of your face. Mr. Graham, I don't have a camera. Is camera on your doodad, your computer, your Google sheet, your Google whatever Chromebook? Use that. Take a picture of it and upload that. Okay, upload it right here. Choose file, upload it there. And then I also want you to take a shot of a piece of paper that you've done some writing on. Now, I want you to write in your normal handwriting 3 or 4 sentences. Again, something like, Mr. Groom, you're swell. I enjoy being in your class, yada, yada, yada. Don't be a kiss up. I'm just saying. But, whatever. Hi, I hope you have a good day. Whatever. What I'm hoping to see is how bad your handwriting is. Oh, okay. But here's why. I am going to make some comments on some feedback on this assignment. Okay. So that when I next class probably on Monday, we'll talk about that as to where to go to find the feedback and then to be able to interact with the feedback and go, oh, I see, I missed this or that. Okay. And then again, upload that file here as well. And then you're going to click submit assignment when you're finished with it. Okay. Now that's the big deal. Again, this video that I'm making is going to be hyperlinked like literally right here in a few minutes when I'm done with this. Yeah, and so that's the game. Again, I apologize. This says I'm masquerading. Won't let me do it when I'm masquerading. So I guess that's because it doesn't know who I'm masquerading as, I guess. But for you, it should link immediately to your Google Drive. Go to your Auto One folder that we made and find your document. Again, if you just type a Google document, it goes into your Google Drive. I guess if it's the first thing you've ever typed in your Google Drive, it'll be easy to find. But if you make a folder for each one of your classes, it makes things way easier. Okay, way easier in the future. Okay, so if you do those things, that'll make my life really easy. Hopefully, in the future, I won't have to run us through this whole process again. And this video will be posted. Maybe I'm going to make a module that just says all important stuff, folder or whatever. And you're certainly welcome to go on there and see how to resubmit things if you need help again. Okay? All righty then.